Tesla, let's talk about it because it showed a lot of strength today. We broke above the daily confluence mile center band, back into the upper band, broke that 440 and 445 resistance. The next overhead semi resistance line is at about 450. And if we breach 450, it's going to be 475 really quickly, testing this previous high. And then really 500 is the next psychological level. But beyond that, the daily mean reversion is moving back to the upside, and we broke the daily RSI above that trend line again. So this is showing strength, and we were having this bit of a conflict here between our two trend lines. This has clearly picked a winner. So, and the other thing we were looking at on the 4 hour, we can see it a bit better. We had this broadening wedge pattern, which decisively broke to the upside. And actually, we can see what the near-term target is for that because we never really measured it out. And yeah, that has us right about where we're getting into resistance at 450, 452. But that's such a small time frame pattern. I wouldn't imagine that would take much to get through. Now, we might get some resistance at that 450. We have the confluence model center band coming in right there. And we're getting close to the top of the RSI band. And mean reversion's already extended, but it can stay up there for some time. So that is one thing to look out for. And I sold a little bit of Tesla somewhere around here in my retirement account that I did not buy back. So I would not hate a dip back down to see if I can get a lower swing for an entry. But that's just my personal desire, and the market might want to keep running. Quite impressed by the Optimus robot running yesterday and the dexterity of the hands. The market really seems to like what it's seeing there with how Optimus is progressing for Tesla. All right, I'm doing MicroStrategy next on purpose because I got a request to look at the MicroStrategy Tesla pair chart again, which we have not done in a while.